lowest now?
Hey, you're welcome, Steve. Another 1999 Bluebird, just like you. So, yeah, here we go. This is my Bluebird. Got the sticker up there on top there. Got my trusty e-bike here to get around the place when I need to peruse around the area. Gorgeous mountains here. I mean, what a great view we've got here out here at Skoolies with these type of mountains in the background. Absolutely picturesque. And here's my back end of my bus. As you can see, I've got my cargo rack up on the top of my flagpole. My little Honda generator here, so in case we got cloudy days, I can always go ahead and...
It's always good timing when somebody starts a car up right next to me.
Oh yeah. I have my Honda generator too for another power backup, because I have 600 watts of solar up on the roof.
Now to charge the e-bike, you got to use the generator?
Yeah, the generator. And if you look inside, you'll see my battery bank. This is my garage in the back. With all my batteries sticking there. My solar can charge my Xantrex.
Yep.
And this is where I store all my equipment when I'm on the road, my bike and my generator and everything. It works out great. Have a nice garage. For all you people thinking about converting your school bus, keep in mind that it's a really good idea to have a garage of some sort, because your roof will definitely need the space. Let's go inside and see the fun part of the Bluebird.
Okay.
Here we got our stained glass window panels.
When you're driving down the road, do you have any problems with not being able to see out through here, to be able to see down the road?
Well, obviously I can't see through these now because I got it blocked up with the stained glass, but I just used my my first window right here.
Okay.
And then when I have to make a turn, you have to be a little vigilant about making your turns, that you can see out what's coming, because like you said, that is an issue, but it's just so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're inside here. I had the Cummins 5.9 24 cylinder or 24 valve engine, just like you have in your bus, with the Allison transmission, the 545.
Yeah. And
runs great so far. And here's my kitchen area. Got my toaster oven, my my cooking utensils right here, my coffee maker. Right here, built over this wheel well and built over this wheel well is cabinetry, and what it does, it hides the wheel wells in your bus, and then you pick up a lot of extra storage also by having that in there, so it looks pretty good. Yeah, I built it all out of this here is all hard rock maple, same type of maple that you have on bowling alley floors, and the inserts here are Burmese teak. And slides, put slides in here so I wouldn't have the doors in my face when you open them up, which is a real pain in the ass. So
yeah, I've had mine that open up and come down and nail me on the top of the nose.
Absolutely.
Some of my videos, you'll see a scab right there because I just did that.
Right. So for all you future build outs, this is something to really consider if you're doing any upper cabinetry and you don't want to have those doors in your face and rattling around. Just build yourself an upper and lower track and put all your slides right in. It works so good. Highly recommend it. Don't even put any kind of doors. And then I finished it off with crown molding all the way around. And I kept everything flush. As you see, all these are like cabinet type of cabinetry, all with the inset doors. And to keep the handles over, I just made some straps, put some stars. So that works out real good.
Yep.
Put 200-pound full extension slides, which you can take your pinky and shut the door.
Right.
Doesn't get much easier than that. And oh, by the way, on the On the cabinetry right here, it's the same thing throughout, all the Burmese teak and the hard rock maple all the way through. And of course, my lazy boy, I spend most of my time, a third of my time driving, a third of my time in my lazy boy, and the other third sleeping.
Sure.
3 important things to consider.
And that's pretty much me, the couch, and my bed.
Exactly. Yeah. I think we're all about the same on that. And so, if the weather's nice, then we go outside and hang out near the campfire. Yeah, I got my stove here, IKEA stove, IKEA sink rather. Real good with an integrated washboard, so everything just flows in here. You don't have to worry about water all over.
How big a freshwater tank do you have?
35 gallons.
All right.
And if I'm real conservative with it, that can last me probably a good 2 weeks.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, same with me with 42.
Right, but that's with good water management.
Yeah.
Not just letting the water run forever.
Right.
Yeah, and then over here, just bought a brand new, this is my second one, brand new Magic Chef 10 cubic foot frost-free refrigerator that runs on 110, just like your house here. Plenty of storage up in there, keeps things like super cold, new style. Highly recommend if you're gonna go this route with a AC refrigerator, to get a 10 cubic foot Magic Chef. Really a good refrigerator. Right. This is a temple rubbing that I got in Cambodia a couple of years ago.
Nice.
In Siem Reap. Quite interesting how they make that, but that's some of the deities, the gods that the Khmer, more or less, you know, I guess you could say revered. There's plenty of them, but these two here.
Right.
Then coming back this way here, I have my bedroom. I have a full queen size bed back here, and then underneath the bed lifts up. I have hydraulics on both sides, so it lifts up real good. And I have all this as storage underneath here. I keep my water tank back up here. I have a Suburban propane heating system like in the Class A motorhomes, where it's forced air that comes right through like central AC. Really good. And same thing here, we have the shower and the closet. This is a full shower. Right here, you can see the shower controls.
Pretty much most showers I see in Skoolies are also closets.
Yeah, you have to, well...
Or storage of some sort.
As we all know, as Skoolies, space is so precious, everything is
I have
going
a
to be
table saw in mine right now.
There you go, table saw.
Till I've got underbelly storage I need to make bigger.
Yeah, it's not a big problem. When I need to take a shower, I just take the clothes off the rack, put them on the bed, take my shower. I got hot water as well. I get 6 gallons of hot water, so that's plenty enough to take a shower. I usually take a shower with about 5 gallons of water, and that's splurging.
Right. Oh yeah,
Navy
that's
showers.
a long shower.
That's a long shower. That's splurging. And the same thing on the cabinetry here is that you have the 2 wheel wells back here that are sticking up, so I just built these big end tables, and they also are great for just a huge amount of storage over there.
Right.
And it hides those wheel wells. So that's a good idea. Same thing here with the cabinetry, teak and Burmese. On the other side of that wall is where we had originally started the tour at. That's the garage over there.
Right, that's we just saw.
My e-bike, what we just got to see, and my batteries and everything. And that's my thermostat for the Suburban. Works great. You just put it on there and it keeps me toasty.
If somebody wanted to get a hold of you, ask any questions, do you have any social media presence or any way somebody would get a hold of you? Or
not really. Basically, I don't have a YouTube. I have a YouTube channel, but I really don't put too much on it. But if anyone wanted to get a hold of me, they could email me, and my email is stardustmiami@bellsouth.net. So that's bellsouth.net, Stardust Miami. Okay. Very easy, common spelling there.
Well, thank you for the tour.
Okay, well, enjoyed showing you everything there.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.